There's a guy in that corner right there. All right, let's go. Like it. I don't want to stay right here. Go, go, go.
Let me in, let me in, let me in, let me in, let me in.
This is a good way to die.
Well, we didn't Sheboygan to live, did we?
No, but I'm not going to stand right there. That door bad. I haven't really lived until you come to Sheboygan. I'm not standing in that doorway, that's for damn sure.
So actually, you know what? Fuck it. Let's just hold kitchen. I'll tell them that we got kitchen. So.
I wish we can get over there, that door.
So, there's 2 more doors over here, though.
2 more doors over there?
Yeah. Okay. There's one on the left, one on the right.
All right, we'll go take a peek.
So yeah, you guys hold them too, and I'll show you.
All right.
We can do that.
Oh, there was.
We sure that's tan?
I saw tan.
All right, if you saw it, that's all I'm saying. Saw one go across, yeah. Yeah, down that hall, right side.
Down this whole left side too.
Hit! That's what I knew was gonna happen. Shot up.
I got you.
I'm gonna stay behind this so I don't get fucking shot up.
He ran right. All right, the guy I took out is probably getting medic now.
The lights are motion activated. I was not anticipating. Oh, sorry. The lights motion activated. I was like,
Hey, it's friendly's on that right side.
All right. Hey, green, push it. Okay, they're pushing in.